Kathy, why don't more teachers use science notebooks in their practice? What concerns might they have to prevent them from doing so?
I think the key to answering that question is the idea of teachers using the notebook as opposed to creating ways for the students to use the notebook. That's the whole point, is that it's supposed to be something that the student values. And I think teachers are afraid in terms of how to get started and how to grade it, how to incorporate it into their grading system. But those are actually obstacles that are easily overcome, and actually not that large a deal once you take the leap and get a little guidance. It really pays off to have the notebooks.
You have part of the movement too, from a worksheet, textbook-based classroom to an activity-based classroom. And when you do that, the notebook becomes essential. So if the teachers are changing the way the students are working in their classroom, then it's sort of natural to use the notebook.
Yes.
But it's nice to know that other teachers have done this, that it works, that you can make it work, that it's not going to create all sorts of undue hardship on you, that you'll still be able to accomplish things within a classroom period. And so I think it's just the hesitancy of not having seen it done or not experiencing it even in their own educational background. So what we're hoping is that as people are becoming or involved in an activity-based classroom, that they would also pick up the notebook and use that as the tool to increase student learning.
So we'd agree that the lab-aids notebook provides special structure and support and guidance, but isn't it true that almost any notebook is better than no notebook at all?
I think it is. I mean, whether you're using a composition book or a 3-ring binder or even a spiral notebook, it's the philosophy. It's the idea of who owns the learning. I think it's what Kathy was talking about before, that it's a student notebook. It's not the collection of the teacher's worksheets that were given to them. And so it's a different philosophy. And I think once teachers start to do it, they're amazed at what students are capable of doing. We don't want to underestimate our students.